English Catalan past of to be, I was.
Yo era.
You were.
Eres.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you and I time travel into the Catalan past of to be, fast, funny, and super practical. Buckle up for
Sí.
in action, identity, stories, and a pinch of drama. Your goal today. You'll nail the key forms and sound smart telling past stories. Say them out loud with me. I was equals.
Yo era.
You were, sing, equals.
Eres.
He was equals.
Ella era.
It was equals.
Era.
We were equals.
Érem.
You were, plural, equals.
Vau ser.
They were equals.
Eren.
To be, identity, equals.
Sí.
Flashback chat. Listen in and repeat the Catalan parts. Keep it light, keep it moving. A. Yesterday, who was the captain? B. I was.
Yo era.
El capita. A. And you, were you nervous? B. Yes, you were, sing, super calm, nah, kidding.
Eres.
Una mica nervios. A. He was late, right? B. Yes.
Ella era.
Tardísimo. A. How was the day? B. It was Monday.
Era dilluns.
A. Where were we during the rain? B.
Érem.
A casa mengent crispets. A. Team, you were amazing. B. Coach said.
Vau ser.
Decisions. A. And the neighbors? B.
Eren.
Simpatics I portaven en coca. Clap and repeat. Beat your past tense jitters with a tiny chant. Clap lightly and echo me. I was.
Yo era.
You were, sing.
Eres.
He was.
Ella era.
It was.
Era.
We were.
Érem.
You were, plural.
Vau ser.
They were.
Eren.
Core verb to be.
Sí.
Culture tip. Tiny grammar win. Here's your smart shortcut, do, yeah, you. Use.
Sí.
For identity and descriptions. For background, ongoing past, you'll love the imperfect.
Yo era. Eres. Ella era. Érem. Eren.
Etc. For a completed, one-off event you might also hear forms like
Vau ser.
you plural, finished moment. If you're telling the vibe of the scene, say.
Era.
If you're stamping a finished headline, say things like
Vau ser.
mini scenes. You act, I direct. Read the English, then say the Catalan. Scene 1. I was the first in line.
Yo era.
El primer de la cua. Scene 2. You were, sing, very helpful.
Eres.
Molt útil. Scene 3. He was the best player.
Ella era.
El Miller jugador. Scene 4. It was late.
Era.
Tard. Scene 5. We were students.
Érem.
Estudiants. Scene 6. You were, plural, the winners.
Vau ser.
Els guanyadors. Scene 7. They were at the meeting.
Eren.
A la reunio. Quick quiz. Answer fast, trust your ear. I'll give the answer right after the pause. Q1. Translate, they were early. A1.
Eren.
De hora. Q2. Translate, we were at home. A2.
Érem.
A casa. Q3. Translate, it was Monday. A3.
eran,
Dylan's. Q4. Fill in. Yesterday, you were, plural, incredible. A4. A here.
bao giờ,
Incredibles. Q5. What's the base verb for identity? A5.
gì,
Q6. Translate, I was the captain. A6.
yo era,
El capita. Q7. Translate to a friend, sing. You were kind. A7.
eres,
Amable. Q8. Translate, he was late. A8.
era,
Tard. Your turn, 20-second challenge. Ready, do? You've got this. Complete the chain out loud. I was.
yo era,
You were, sing.
eres,
He was.
era,
It was.
eran,
We were.
érem,
You were, plural.
bao giờ,
They were.
eren,
Now create a tiny story, 3 lines, using at least 3 forms. Example rhythm. Yesterday.
eran,
Dylan's.
érem,
Cansats, Vosalters.
bao giờ,
Herois. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, your past tense just leveled up. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines daily and revisit whenever your timeline feels wobbly. For more bite-sized lessons, exercises, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next session.